Hi guys, today I'll share with you 16 line green laser level BGE-016. The working range for this laser will be 40 meters. The level accuracy will be 1 mm/7 meter. That means within 7 meters, it will be 1 mm plus minus adjustment. The laser is suitable for different occasions to meet different engineering needs, both indoors and outdoor, far projection distance, high laser height, clear lines. Wide applications for auxiliary tiles fixing, wall decoration, floor tiles fixing, stairs, handrails, floor tiles, and plastering. The radium rays will be 360 degrees with 16 lines.